I'm not gonna tell you that you need the wig, but I'm not holding you back from buying it. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 𝙃𝙍𝙑𝙄𝙍. Today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. They sent me the shoe to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slaying. Your girl got her Wawa today because I'm not drinking. It's real early, so I gotta chill. Now before I show you guys how I installed this out the box sleigh, out the box, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, the shoe comes to us from Hairvivi. All the specs as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. This is going to be another easy breezy out the pack wig install. If you don't know, Hairvivi comes ready to go out the pack. You just got to cut the lace, do a little tinting if you have to, and pretty much throw her on your head. It's very minimal effort that goes into their wigs. Sometimes the wig comes pre-styled, like, you know, with some curls or something, you do got to touch up your curls. This one has like a little curl in the front, and then it's pretty much straight around the back. The hairlines are always a little square. We're going to see how this one sits on me. No baby hairline? Nope. When you get your wig, make sure you look it over. You can even try it on, but if you don't like your wig, don't cut the lace off and don't cut off this tag. Hairvivi has a 30-day free return and exchange program, so if you don't like your wig, you can return it. Don't be trying to rock your wig for 29 days and then all of a sudden on the 30th, the wig is trashed. Hairvivi said nope. That's probably why they don't offer the pre-cut styles that I've been asking for. They want to make sure that y'all not wearing these joints out to the club. They did put some clips in my wig. Let me take those out. I don't know if that was on accident or what. Maybe they was holding the hair back. Oh, that little curl right there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep those, thank you. Even though I have the Mocha fake scalp, I'm still gonna tint my lace around the front because the fake scalp doesn't go all the way to the edge. You wanna make sure you don't have that line of demarcation. It goes right behind the hairline. So I still gotta tint a little bit around here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Press Powder in the color Milk Chocolate to do that. I dropped my caramel bronze shade and it broke, and you know, it was a little messy to try to keep using it. I gotta buy another one. Keep it real simple, real light. Oh, and let me get my cap. Y'all know I'm not really a huge fan of their elastic bands. I just feel like they're a little flimsy for me, but we're gonna see how this one fits because I feel like they reinforced this a little bit better. This one also doesn't have, I mean, it has 2 slots, so it doesn't have the 4-slot piano key elastic band placement, but it has 2, so we're gonna use what we can use. Loosen this up a bit and move that like that. There we go. Okay. Harley, you would come in here right now. Golly. Oh, and it smells amazing. I love the smell of Hairvivi wigs. I don't know what they be putting on it. Give me that in a bottle, okay? Let me put these clips back on here. Their wig caps are small, medium, and large. I'm pretty sure they sent me the medium. Although my head is 23 inches, the large cap I think is 23.5, so that'll be too big for my head. Hold on, I can't see. Let me cock my glasses like this. Ooh. Ah. Cut the lace off, because I will not be sending this back. Y'all see how easy this is? This not the right one? Okay, maybe not. Maybe it's too yellow. Look at that blend. Ooh, chow. Wait a minute, what's going on? Did my clip fall out? Come on, get back up there. Thank you. You very careful. Okay, I use my Nairobi mousse around the front to lay down my hairline and mold that lace. Again, mold, not a hold. They didn't send me a band. I don't think they have a band. All right, let's wrap it down. Right in here. Ooh, very silky smooth. I have my little brush here. Ooh, that's hot, I forgot. That was quick. Sheesh. So I'm just gonna wrap it like so and bump my ends. Hold it, let it curl under. There we go. Little bump in the front. Here we go. Hold it. Make sure no tracks are showing. Okay. Push that hair to the back. Ooh wee. All right, let's unwrap this bad boy. Over top the lace. Let's see how that's looking over there. A little funky. Let's fix that. That long piece is down there. Bring that down. This one's a little long, but I'm not gonna cut anything. I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I think that's it. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. I changed my glasses and my earrings and added a necklace. Now I feel like it's right. I'm not gonna tell you that you need the wig, but I'm not holding you back from buying it. This was an easy peasy out the box slay. Now because of that, you will pay the coin. Check that couch and that glove box, okay? Get all the pennies together because you will pay the coin for this one. And you might have to call that man, so you know. But they do have Afterpay option now, so you can get this wig for the low payments starting at about $35. But if you need more convincing, let me just do a little of this and a little of this and a little of this. You see the lace, or do you? It's there though, let me show you. Okay, she's still right there and glueless. None, no glue. I'm just saying. That parting space is perfect. I wish there was a little bit more layers in this unit. However, you can cut your own layers. Don't let the layers stop you from being awesome. No shedding, no tangling. I am here for this wig. Now, when it comes to the maintenance of this wig, make sure you are conditioning your unit once it's time to wash it. Because it is a color treated unit, the hair can dry out, but you don't need to wash it right away because Hairvivi comes ready to go out the pack. Washed, blow dried, styled, everything. So you can go ahead and just cut that lace off because you're keeping her and rock this wig. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Hairvivi for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.